Good morning, students. In last class, I have completed how to do the division method. That is, and find out the perfect squares. So you have been thorough with it for even for the decimal numbers also, and for the 4-digit and 3-digit number also. You know now how to find out the perfect square, and you know how many digits. If 3-digit number is there, so square root number, then you have to find out how many digits the square number will be. So you know that also how to do, is it not? You have learned under exercise 5.4. So now let me continue with the exercise 5.4, rest few problems and finish off the today's lesson and complete chapter of squares and square roots. Okay. Now coming back to the exercise, find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers. So, as to get a perfect square number, also find the square root of perfect square, so obtain. What do you mean by this? That is, you have did the multiplication, you have even did the subtraction. See, the given number is not under the prime factorization method, you have learnt it, is it not? That is, you know how to prime factorize it and find out the perfect square number. The given number was not perfect square number, so you were getting the unpaired number. That number, what you are doing, you are multiplying or you are dividing as what the heading is given. You are doing like that, and you are finding out the perfect square number. Like that only you have to do here. Here, the given number is perfect square number or not, you have to find out. If not, you have to subtract the number, that is the remainder. By doing the problem, you will come to know how to do. Okay. Now, first number is under exercise 5.4, fourth main. It is 402. How you will do this? Same. You have to repeat with the division method. That is, first step you have to group the numbers. Okay. Here 3-digit number is there, but starting you have to go with, you have to pair or you have to group the number to two numbers. Okay. Here 0 2 you have grouped, and here 4. As any other digit is there, you can go with 2. There is no 2-digit number, but here there is a single digit, so you can go with single. Now, as I wrote here, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square it is 16, 5 square it is 25, and 6 square it is 36, 7 square it is 49, and 8 square it is 64, and 9 square finally it is 81, 10 square it is 100. You know all the square numbers, you are thorough with it. So here the number is 4. What do you have to do here? It is, you have to take the square numbers. Is it not? First, what you are doing here, any the lesser number or the higher number was there, but here it's exactly 2 square. That is, you can write down 2 2s are 4. So if you subtract here 4 minus 4, you will get 0. Now get down both the numbers 0 2. So only 2 is there. So what do you have to do here? If you do the number, this number, you have to double it, you will get 4. So only 2 you cannot do. So 0 0, if you do, how much you get? How much you get? You can't do. 40 into 0, it is 0 you get. So the number becomes same, 0 2. You will get the remainder as 2. What you have to do, that remainder is, see, 402, this remainder what you are getting here, no? That number you have to subtract, 0 2. If you subtract 402 minus 02, how much you will get? You will get it as 400. Is it not? 402 minus 2, you get it as 400. So now you know for 400 what is the square number? 20. You know 20 into 20, it is 400. If you don't know, if here the number is 400, so you know it is 20. If the higher number is there, you will not able to write. So what you have to do? You have to go with this division method. Okay? Easy, students? Like that you have to do. See, for next number, so here you have found out the perfect square root and the square number. Understood? This is what the perfect square. Okay, or the square root, or this is the square root and square number. You have found out. Okay, now coming to second number. Second number is what here? 1989. So go with the division method 1989. As I told you, have to group the things. So here 1989, what do you have to do? You have to see the starting number 19. It is between 16 and 25. So you have to go with 4 4s are 16. So here remainder becomes 3 and get down is 89. So as last here, what do you have to do? 4. 4 plus 4, it is 8. And last number is 9. You have to go with 43 and 47. See, 83, 87 into 3 into 7. So 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24. 249. 7 7s are 49. 4 remainder. 7 8s are 56. 60. So it becomes the greater number you cannot do here. So here 249 is the nearer number. You can take 83 into 3. So here how much you will get? 249. So 9 minus 9, 0. 8 minus 4, it is 4. And 3 minus 2, it is 1. Okay, we'll go for 84 again. Okay, see 83, you will get 249. We'll try for the nearer number, that is 84 again. 4 4s are 16, 4 8s are 32, 33. So it is nearer number 336 than this number. So you have to go here. Here there will be a bit confusion. Be careful while solving it. There directly you are seeing the last digit number and you are solving. But here, as here there will be a reminder, there will be some problem while seeing the square numbers. You have to write here. So 84 into 4. Here 336. So 9 minus 6, it is 3. 8 minus 3, 5. 3 minus 3, it is 0. Okay. For the number, what do you have to do now? 1989 minus 53. Minus 53 you have to do. So 9 minus 3 is how much here again? 6. 8 minus 5, 3. 19. 1936 you will get. So 1936. For 1936, how much? 44 will be the square number. Square root of 1936 will be 44. Understood? Like this you have to find out. Here if you didn't get the remainder as a 0, you have to do you have to subtract this number with the remainder number, so you will get the perfect square number, and that perfect square root and that perfect square root will be equal to this square number. Understood? Okay, now coming to third problem, 3250. Here the last number is what? 3250. First group the numbers. Next, 6 6 are 36. No, you cannot do. So you have to go with 5. 5 5s are 25. 12 minus 5 again 7. Get down 2 numbers. The number will be 750. So double this number, you will get a 10. Now you have to do, as the number is 0, you have to see for 1 or else 10. You have to see the for 9 next number, that is for 3 or else for 9. That is 103 into 3 or else 107 into 7. 7 7s are 49. So here 3 3s are 9, 3 zeros are 0, 3 1s are 3. So no, it's too far from 750. So now 7 7s are 49. So 7 zeros are 0, 4 as remainder, 7 1s are 7. Nearer to 749. One digit is less here. So 107 into 7, if you do 749, you will get, so the remainder as 1. Here, to become a perfect square number or the square root, you have to subtract this number with 1. So you will get 3249, and square root of 3249 is equal to 57. Okay? Hope all understood how to solve these problems. Rest problem you will do. 2 problems are there. 825 and 4000. You have to solve. Okay, students? Exercise 5.4, fourth main, fourth and fifth problem you have to solve. Okay, that will be your homework problem. Now they have given, coming to next main, okay, find the least number which must be added to each of the following number so as to get a perfect square. Also to find the square root of perfect square so obtained. See, you have to find the least number which has to be added to get the perfect square number. Okay, and also to find the square root of the perfect square number. Okay, how to do this? See, your first number under exercise 5.4, fifth main, it is 525. First you have to, 525 should be divided. So first thing you have to group. So it is 2 2s are 4. one reminder, get down this both numbers 25. Here if you double, you will get 4, and here 125. Added they have given. So what you have to do here? Now again 125 is there. 5 next number as 4. So go with 4. Before number is 4. So go with the before number, that is 44 into 4 if you do. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 17. So you get 1. Okay. Sorry. See, 125 the number is. Okay, here. What you have to do? You have to see the last number 5. And you are doing, finding out the number here. The next number, what you have to multiply it. Is it not? But here, it is a not a square number. This number will not be there in the last digit of the square number. This is actually not a perfect square number, 125. Okay, so you have to see the before number, that is 4. Okay, 4, see, as I wrote here, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36, 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64, 9 9s are 81, 100. See, the number is like this. So, 4 here, that is 2 square or else 8 square. Last digit 4 4. So, we'll try for 42 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. It becomes 84. So, the next number of this 43 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. It becomes the higher number 129. So, you can't take this. So, go with 42 into 2. So, here 42 into 2, it becomes 84. Now, 5 minus 4 is 1 and 12 minus 8 is again 4. So, the remainder will be 41. So, what you have to do here? What you have to do here? The next perfect square is 23 square. See, 22. This is not a perfect square number because you got the 41 as reminder. So, the next perfect square number 22 square is 520 greater than 525. So, next perfect square number you have to find, that is not for 22. After 22 it is 23 square. So, you know what is the square number for 23 square? So, it is 529. Okay. So, you can do like this. 23 square minus 525. 23 square is what? 529. Is it not? Minus 525. So, the difference number is 4. So, what is the number should be added here to get a perfect square number? 4 numbers. If you add 4 numbers, see, 525 plus 5 plus 4 if you do, you will get a perfect square number, that is 529. This is square root of 529 is what? 23. This is the perfect square number or the square root what you have obtained. Hope all understood how to do this. First, you are finding out the square number for this, that is 22. Actually, by seeing the number only, we can make out this is not a perfect square number. So, 22, after this number 22, what the numbers come? That is 23. You know what is the square number for 23? That is 529. So 529 minus 525 if you do, you will get the 4 number, and that 4 number if you add for this number, you will get the perfect square number. Hope all understood. Next, if you do by this method, it becomes easy. Next, one seven five zero. Divide the group the number. Here 17 the number is, so 4 fours are 16, 1 5 0, and here 4 plus 4 it becomes 8. Here the number is a 0, so you have to go with the before number or the after number, that is 1. If you see how much you will get here, what 1 or else the last number 1 square or 89 you have to see, into 9 into 9. Here 9 9s are 81, 72, 80. 8 not 1 it becomes, no, this doesn't suit because here a number you have to see. So here 1 ones are 1, 1 8s are 8. So the nearer next will go for 82. So 2, if you do 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 164 it becomes, no, 164 is also greater number, so you have to go for 81. 81 into 1, it is 81. So here 10 minus 1 is 9, and 14 minus 8, you will get 69 you get. So 69 you got the remainder. What you have to do here is 1750. Okay. Here 41, the next number 41 square is, okay. So next step what you have to do, 42 square is a perfect square number. So what is the 42 square number is 1764. 1764. So now you have to find out the difference for this both number, that is 1764. You have to write here 42 square less than or minus 1750, that is 1764 minus 1750. If you do, how much you will get the difference number as 14. So you have to add 14 numbers to get the perfect square number. Okay, perfect square number. Hope you all understood. Next problem, 3 problems are there. You have to take it as homework problem. Okay. Okay. Next, find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 meters square. I have already explained you this problem, same concept under the example problem. So you have to do this by your own. You know, side of the square, side into side. So square root of 441, it is 21. You can write, and you have to find out by division method also. You can do that, okay, by your own. Okay, now coming to 7th problem. 7th mean, in a right angle triangle ABC, B is equal to 90 degree. AB is equal to how much here? 6 centimeter. BC is equal to 8 centimeter. And you have to find out AC. A, B, C. You know. And this angle is equal to 90 degree here. A, B, C. Angle A, angle B, and angle C. Here B is equal to how much? 90 degree. And this AB side is 6 centimeter. BC is 8 centimeter. And you have to find out this angle, this side. So you know what? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay. You have to, as the number is square, you have to do square. 8 8s are 64 plus 6 6 are 36 plus 8 8s are 64. You will get 100. So AC square is 100. AC becomes square root of 100. So AC is equal to how much? 10. Understood? 10. You have to mention this centimeter. Okay? Like that you have to do it for again the sub problem B. Okay? Next, I'll go with the 8th problem. I hope you all understood this, students. Like this only they have given AC, BC, and you have to find out AB. AC is given and AB is given. Sorry, BC is given. You have to find out AB, the side. Okay? Like this only you have to do. Next, coming to 8th problem. Here they have given a gardener has 1000 plants. How much plants he has? He has 1000 plants. He wants to plant these in such a way that the number of rows and the number of columns remain same. I've already explained this, I think. Let me check out. Okay. That's a different problem. A gardener has 1000 plants. He wants to plant these in such a way that the number of rows and the number of columns remain same. Find the minimum number of plants he needs more for this. The number of plants are 1000. Okay, total number of plants a gardener is having is 1000. Okay, and then he has to plant in such a way that the number of columns and the number of rows should be equal. Here, we have to find out how many plants are less for that rows or columns. Okay, the number of plants is here 1000. So you divide, group the number first. 10 the number is. So take the square number, 3 3s are 9, 1 reminder, again these 2 zeros. Here the number becomes 6 if you double it. So here you have to do one number, that is you have to as the number is 0, you have to go for 9. So here 63 into 3, if you do 3 3s are 9, 6 3s are 189, it becomes. $189. So the number is higher number, you can't do. So here if you do for 62 into 2, so 6 are 12. 134 into 2, 0. Okay, you can go with 61 into 1. Okay. You have to find out the nearest integer to square root. So here the number is 39. Okay. 10 minus 1 is 9, and here 9 minus 6, it is 3. 39. So here the number is 31. You can write down here 31 square. As I told you before now, the next number you have to take, that is 30. See, 31 square is less than, you can write down here as what? 1000. So you have to go for the next number, 32 square, that is 1024. That is actually a perfect square number. So here okay, now you can write like this. 32 square, that is 31 square minus 3rd what? I told you here 1024 minus 1000. Actually the number has to be added 24, and here the actual number you have to do 1000. Actual number it is what? 24, the nearest number, and 1000 minus how much number you have to do? 31 square is 961. That is 1000 minus 900. You can, if you get confused, you can do like this: 31 minus how much? 961. That is 31 square. 1000 minus 31 square, if you do, that is 961. If you do, you will get 39. 39 you got here, and then here this number is how much? 1024 minus 1000. If you do, you will get 24. So here you can understand, or you can write, the nearest integer value is 24 or 39. You have written and you have found that is the nearer value is nearer integer value as they have given in the question. You have to find out the number of plants he needs for more for this is 24. Understood? So the square root of 1000, nearer value you have found, that is 24. 24 nearer that plants, so much plants the gardener has to be needed. The minimum number of plants he needs more for this is to plant, that is 24 number of plants. Understood, students, how to do this? As I taught you before problems, no, like that only you have to do. Here the 39, like this also 31 square, if you do, you will get 961. So if you do 39 number of this thing is less here. So if you do this much also, it's enough. Understood, students, how to do this? Okay, now coming to ninth problem. I think this is the last problem. Under square roots. There are 500 children in a school for PT drill. They have to stand in such a manner that the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. How many children would be left out in this arrangement? Like that only you have to do. First, what you have to do? You have to divide the thing. Later on, you have to see what is the number you have got. The next number you have to find out, and that will be the perfect square number. And this number minus that number, if you do, you will get how many rows. And even that problem is also what? Ninth problem. Ninth problem is also a homework problem. Hope all understood. By this, I'll be completing squares and square roots. I think you have no doubts on this. Okay, if any doubts is there, I think school may starts, so you can clear and clarify the doubts with me. Okay, students. Okay, thank you, students.